Christine Ferreira. I'm the Chief Financial Officer of AGP Corporation. AGP Corporation is the Philippines' leading provider of value for money products for businesses and consumers in the Philippines. We have branches in major cities across the country. We offer the Piaco Cobra tires and tires of other sizes and all kinds and other industrial needs through our wide sales channel. With our team, which is spread out across the country, the use of the NetSuite Oracle in the cloud is very essential. The ERP allows us to use the functions and features which manages our accounting, inventory, sales, the supply chain, purchases, and CRM. It allows us to have management reports which are available in real time. This is necessary for us to make good business decisions that is essential for our growth and profitability. As a company, AGP Corporation is very happy with the use of the NetSuite ERP. We are also very grateful for the partnership we have with SoftType, our provider who is able to assist us and provide us with a smooth implementation and rollout, good customer service, and availability. As a partner and provider of the NetSuite ERP, we're grateful for this partnership and congratulations, and we look forward to more years of working with you.